Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer Litecoin from Uphold to Bitmart in 2025. Whether you're looking to diversify your crypto holdings or just manage your assets more efficiently, this step-by-step tutorial will get you there quickly and safely. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Uphold and Bitmart. If you haven't already, download the apps or log into the websites and complete any necessary verifications. It's crucial for security in the ever-evolving crypto world of 2025. Step 1. Log into your Uphold account. Once you're in, navigate to your dashboard and find the Litecoin wallet. This is where all your Lieutenant Colonel is stored. Double-check your balance to ensure you have enough to cover the transfer fees, which can vary based on network congestion. Next, head over to your Bitmart account. Go to the deposit section and select Litecoin. You'll see a unique wallet address. Copy this carefully, as it's case sensitive and any mistake could send your funds into the void. Pro tip: always use the QR code if available to avoid typos. Now, back on Uphold, select the Withdraw or Send option in your Litecoin wallet. Paste the Bitmart wallet address into the recipient field, enter the amount you want to transfer, and review the transaction details. Take a moment to confirm everything. Double-check the address and fees to avoid any surprises. Hit Confirm, and you'll be prompted to approve the transaction, possibly with two-factor authentication. Once that's done, sit back and wait for the blockchain to process it. Transfers usually take a few minutes to an hour, depending on the network. Finally, once the transfer is complete, log back into Bitmart and check your Litecoin balance. If everything went smoothly, your funds should be there. Remember, crypto transfers are irreversible, so always stay vigilant. There you have it. That's how you transfer Litecoin from Uphold to Bitmart in 2025. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto space. Thanks for watching.